NASA is tracking a huge asteroid that could slam into planet Earth right before Christmas in 7 years. I am not making this up. My name's Jody. I'm a meteorologist. Look, a space rock potentially as big as a football field has just been identified as 2024 YR4, and it has a chance of crashing into our planet on December 22nd of 2032. Now listen, it only has a 1.6% chance of actually hitting planet Earth, but I'll tell you why that is a huge, really big deal. So NASA monitors asteroids using something called the Torino scale. It's to categorize potential Earth impacts. It starts as a 0 with no impact whatsoever, and it goes up to 10, 10 being a catastrophic, once every 100,000 years impact, okay? Now, this asteroid started as a 0, but it was upgraded to a category 3, and here's why. It passed the threshold of a 1% impact. So basically, it climbed to 1.6%. The threat level was raised to level 3 on the Torino scale. This is extremely rare, as admitted by NASA. So what does a level 3 mean? Well, here's what the wording says. Level 3, a close encounter meriting attention by astronomers. Current calculations give a 1% or greater chance of collision capable of localized destruction. Attention by public and public officials is merited if the encounter is less than a decade away. And it's less than a decade away. The International Asteroid Warning Network, yes, that's a real network, issued a memo on this asteroid. As a meteorologist, I find the scariest part of this is that it was only discovered like less than 2 months ago. It was discovered on December 27th by a NASA-funded telescope in Chile, and we only discovered it because we caught wind of this asteroid just 2 days prior when it came pretty close to us. In the hopefully unlikely event that this were to make impact with Earth, NASA says that the impact would occur somewhere along a corridor which extends across the eastern Pacific Ocean, northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia. Here's the kind of creepy part. We currently have a ton of telescopes on it, right? We're studying it, collecting data. We can see it. But in April, it's going to go too far on its trajectory, and we're going to have to wait until 2028 for it to come back close enough for us to study it and see if the trajectory has changed. Does it climb on the scale? Does it drop to not a threat? Let's cross our fingers it drops to no threat. In any case, it's a big deal because NASA said that in the event it were to strike Earth, it would do so at roughly 38,000 miles per hour. That's crazy, right? Okay, so my name's Jody. I am a longtime meteorologist. I let you know whenever anything is happening up in the sky, even if it's something creepy like this. But most of the time I tell you if we have meteor showers or full moons or planet sightings, you get the picture. Give me a follow. And then also I'll bring you updates on this as NASA releases them.